Hi Aries, good morning. This is your channel messages for the 18th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aries, please enjoy a nice tune from the man himself, Roy Woods. And yes, you can copyright me. I have not reached 1,000 subscribers yet. Go and pick up yourself, Aries. Come to me while you feel me.
Come to me while you free me. Yeah. Come to me while you free this body. Leave marks on my skin when you miss me.
Come to me while you feel me.
Yeah. Come to me while you free me. Come to me while you free this body. Leave marks on my skin when you miss me. Yeah. I tell her forward to do. She move left to one right then she leave. We play a game with the girl when she needs. I touch her legs.
Get her goosebumps racing. My eyes on you, that's a good time. I'm feeling on you, let's not waste time. Come to me while you feel me. Come to me while you feel me. Come to me while you feel me. This body leave marks on the skin when you miss me. Aries, oh my God, come true me while you feel me, Aries. Maybe that's your message. Jesus Christ, Roy Woods. Go and pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aries. I don't have messages for you, but we are doing a new spread. I'm not talking about the bedroom, Aries. You know, get your mind out of the gutter, okay, Aries? We're doing your confession card. This is what is your main issue, what's affecting your main issue, and your advice, okay? Pretty simple spread, all right? So let's get some messages first, and then let's go into your reading. Let's go. Aries, we have clock coming on first. So we have need time, take time, in time, cycles, time to heal, and progression. We have coffee cup. Meeting, conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, and friendship. So you may be setting a specific date as to meet somebody for coffee. A specific hour actually, whether this is in the AM, PM, doesn't really matter. We have coffee though. Now, I always know when people want the magic pan you, them use coffee. You know, like how you have cartomancy, tarot, you have different type of divination. Coffee reading is a divination too. You have people who read coffee. So I would be very wary. That's why I would tell people all the time to be careful if you're going out on dates or you meet somebody for the first time, you'll get coffee. Coffee was known to be a witch's substance to use in potions and making magic. Coffee, there have coffee readings. And a lot of times some people, when you finish drinking your coffee, they must say, come make me throw it away for you. Let me throw away your garbage for you. And what they do, they open the coffee cup and look in it to say what. Because people read coffee cup. You have tea leaf, coffee, cartomancy. You have all type. You have like hieroglyphs. There's different type of divination. So again, I put it back in. Coffin, I had coffin. So coffin, be careful, because I feel like you'll go up on a coffee date with somebody and then you're just going to fall madly in love with this girl, madly in love with this man over coffee. Because he's using coffee magic on you, sweetie. That's usually what it is. One more. We have the golden mirror. Yeah, self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided relationship, and love bombing. Somebody might take you for coffee and they won't shut the up. They might talk about themselves. They want you to admire them. They're putting a spell on you. They're harvesting your energy, sweetie. Just like how people harvest kidneys and organs, they harvest your energy by getting your attention and wasting your time on nothingness, okay? So that's what I'm getting. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Let us see what is... So, wait. Aries. So this is your confessions. Just when you thought it said you could say, I got on the side, said he has one on the way. These are your confessions. Man, I know and I don't know what to do. I guess I gotta give you part 2 of my confessions. First I blow my nose, then I wipe it on your cat. Yes, I lied, that dress makes you look fat. Anyway, I can part 3 of my confessions, okay? Let's go. I'm getting this is your confessions. We're going to see what is the confession, why is it that you're in this mood when you're feeling this way, and what is your outcome. So let's go on. Let's go to your first card and see what are you confessing and why are you confessing it? Why? Why do you choose to do this? No. At this moment, what are you confessing? We have a 2 of Wands. You're confessing to leaving. You're going on vacation, you're relocated, or I'm getting here. You're tired of this, Grandpa. Well, let's do that, man. You better help me pay off this mortgage, right? Okay. So I'm getting what happens you. I'm getting you want to confess that you leave. Maybe you want to confess where you come from. Maybe you don't come from where you say you come from. I'm getting that is your confession. Let's get another one. To clarify that, we have a devil card. Yeah, something about you leaving in a hurry or something about where you come from. You come from Haiti and you're telling people it's fucking Jamaica. You're telling people you come from Port-au-Prince, Jamaica. That's what the fuck you're doing, aren't you? Me getting is that where you come from, what did you come here to do? Or me getting where you go? I don't know where you're going. I feel like somebody gonna buy a plane ticket to go enter the porn industry. This is how it look. I'm smelling naloxone in my nose. Did somebody overdose this morning? Today is the 18th of October. I smell naloxone kit. I smell the thing we use on somebody overdose. So yeah, that's the main issue. No, the main issue could be that you keep going to a certain location because you're addicted to something there, okay? But that's what you want to confess. Let me see why you're confessing it. Why did you choose to confess this now? Maybe you're confessing what you did to somebody in foreign country or what you did in foreign country. So why you're confessing it is because of the justice card. I'm getting it. So what you're confessing as to something you did in foreign country. You could have done this with a Capricorn or something about what a Capricorn did overseas. I'm getting the reason why you're confessing this is because of the justice card, because legalities are catching up to you. So it's either you have court date or I'm getting something about immigration. Immigration, something about whether you can stay somewhere or leave, you have to go back. Something about a criminal record. So I'm getting that is why you're confessing it. Because now the law enforcement I'm getting justice system I catch up on you. Legal documents need to be submitted and apparently it has what you did here has something to do with what the court or what the justice system is asking you for. It could even be a liberal. So I'm getting you confessing what you did back then or what you did in foreign country because you have these 2 people for answer to. So them want to know where you do a foreign country, why did you do that, and didn't you go with somebody, how you come back and them don't come back with you. Me getting know you have to face the court or you have to face a judge. So let's see what your advice is. We have the 2 of Pentacles and we have the 9 of Swords. I'm getting 2 years. You got the 2 years in a prison, 2 years in a jail time. Now they might give you a bail, but I'm getting bail at like 20 grand. I'm getting you're going to spend 2 years. The court, Aries, this is you, so maybe you're the judge. I'm getting you're the judge in the legal system. You're giving somebody 2 years in a prison. Because it's either the disappearance, the murder, or I'm getting something what happened overseas. They might get 2. Yeah, 2. I'm getting you're gonna get 2 years. That's how long you're gonna get, 2 years. I don't know what you're getting 2 years for, but I'm getting whatever this is something very corrupt that you did. Maybe something that you did to somebody. I'm getting you're gonna get 2 years in a person, Aries. Or that's what you're sentencing someone to, 2 years. We have the High Priestess, yeah. Then you're going 2 years, the High Priestess is telling you this. Jesus Christ. Cheating. So you may should have gotten way more. We have shark. Cause I feel like you get away with murder. Or you and your girlfriend, your boyfriend go foreign country on a trip and you kill them there and come back into the country. And now the case have to be extradited, all type of things. Maybe getting a 2 years you're gonna get, or whatever you do, Aquarius. We have High Priestess Aquarius, whatever you do, you're gonna get 2 years. We have marriage. We have the Hangman. And we got to take a break. So I'm gonna leave it here, Aries, until next time. Bye.